down there getting that ready with the plastica. Here at Sparkburn. Very bulletproof. Welding and gas. All that fabrication. Welcome to Sparkburn Hotrods YouTube channel.
Today on the old Blazer, we're going to see about blocking it and getting all this smoothed out and get some body work done, get some mud on it to fill in just some little creases and whatnot, little dents. But we're hoping to get it all done today and ready for the next step tomorrow.
Kind of like a block party. You weren't invited. Just trying to help Jeff along here. He's falling behind. We're just doing what we can, boss man. We're just trying to get you caught back up. You're just falling behind. Spent 7 weeks on a set of running boards. What we're doing now, it's in first round of epoxy bodywork. It's 99.9% done. Jeff, Jack, and I just have some fine tuning to do. We're going to disassemble everything, hang stuff in the booth, get it ready for not epoxy primer this time, but we're going to use urethane primer. So all this stuff's coming off. Jack's finishing up the tailgate right now. All the love on the tailgate, so he's finishing that up. So after that's done, this will all be blown apart, scuffed the rest of the way out. And urethane prime, the next step after that is wet sand and paint it. Welcome back to Sparkburn Hotrods. Today, Jack is going to put the final round of urethane primer on the Blazer. We have everything set up in the booth and in the booth in there for a primer. So that's what you're going to see next. Well, Jack's got 3 coats on the old Blazer turd, or Blazer herd, or Blazer, or whatever you want to call it. But he's got 3 coats on it. Got the body done, and then we'll go out of here into here. He got 3 coats on all the good stuff. So the next step, we will wet sand this painted orange, assemble it, polish it, send it home.
Alright, so the rest of this afternoon I'm going to be masking this thing off and getting it ready for paint. So I'll be masking all on the inside of this, outside, underneath. And once I've got it all plasticed off, I will be putting plastic on the bottom and then some paper on the inside here so I can paint the dash. I'll have to mask off the inside of the dash and all that, and then be ready to paint tomorrow.
So Jack's got the sealer on the old Blazer, doing the main body first. And then after that, it will be all the bolt-ons. It's going house of color. May 6th. Today, Jack is finishing wet sanding so he can paint the rest of this orange.
today I'm wet sanding the body here. I'm starting with 1200 grit and working my way up to 2000, and then next week probably I'll be hitting it with 2000 or 3000 and 8000 with on a DA, and then after that I'll be polishing it and we can start putting it all back together.
So right here is ready for final assembly. They're getting ready to put fenders and doors and hang all the fun stuff on so it can be a finalized blazer. Oh, hey, like, share, and subscribe.
So, oh yeah. So today we're going to be working on everything that you see here in the shop. I'm going to be working on getting the hood hinges back on, the windshield in, cowl in, just kind of finishing up the front end.
So bend these tabs straight, pull that off, and it'll come out that way.
I'm going to try that.
No, it's Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, May 28th, day after the day after day after. Jeff is wiring.
Line wire, 2 wire, red wire, blue wire, black wire, orange wire, old wire, new wires. Let's get this done. So I'm going to be working on the brakes today. We're going to finish getting the front done so we can get her bled and hopefully we can stop the blazer. And then after that, we'll see about laying the sound deadener down in there so we can get the carpet in and the seats in. So we just got the seats back and they're looking pretty spiffy and brand new. Yep.
Down.
Closed.
You open.
Yep.
Down.
Closed. Open.
Down.
Closed.
Like I can just put my finger on the end of the line and not even touch the line any way else and still hold all the fluid in.
Really? I'm going to turn that proportion belt all the way down then, okay?
Okay. Alright, so today we're working on the old blazer again. We're going to be working on finishing up the brake lines so we can actually stop the vehicle. We're just going to temporarily put the H pipes back in on the exhaust so that way we can actually have it running to take it to the exhaust shop. And then we're gonna see about getting the custom making a fuel filler neck, so that way you can actually fill it up, because we changed it from the filler neck being on the side of the bed to being behind the rear tail light. So we gotta make a new filler neck for it.
Is doing the final this and that's. Gonna put the wheels on, brakes are bled, so we're gonna try getting it over to the exhaust shop, so it should run. We're about to put gas in it again.
Today I'll be working on the old Blazer again. We finally got her back from the exhaust shop, and we're going to be working on putting all the interior back together. Sound deadener and then another layer of some insulation. Forgot what it's called. Then we'll be laying carpets and putting seats back in. This right here.